Welcome to another episode of my cooking show. Today, we're gonna do the baking series, but this is just a part of the baking series where I introduce the different kinds of utensils and equipments that you'll need in order to bake nearly any kind of bread. Okay, so to start off, first you need a sifter. So this is used to sift flour so that you prevent lumps. Mixing bowls. Okay. I'm using a silicone mat to prevent the bowls from sliding around the workbench. Okay. Rolling pin, so to flatten the dough pieces. Digital weighing scale. A whisk. MVP bowls or mise en place bowls. Okay, these are stainless steel bowls. Dough cutter. So I have two kinds of dough cutter. So here in the Philippines we use the plastic ones and we also have metal ones. And these are the wooden ones that we use for making pandesal. Okay? And the different types of pan. So muffin pan, tray, and baking sheet or cookie pan. Okay? A couple of kitchen towels. Okay? And an oven. Or if you're not baking larger amounts of bread, then a small toaster oven will work also. All right.